Okay, now children, after question number 1, we in the next part we begin with question number 2, which is simplify a to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by a to the power 2 by 3. Now, what we can do here is we are dividing and the bases are same. Use the quotient law. In division, when bases are same, subtract the power. So, first power minus the second power. Denominators are same, take LCM. So, numerators will be written as it is, minus 1 and minus 2. This is minus 3 upon 3 cut. We are left with a to the power minus 1. Negative power, reciprocate the base, and the answer is 1 upon a. Same question, next part. A to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 divided by ab to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 2 minus b to the power minus 2. The first thing is what we do here is negative power, reciprocate the base, negative power, reciprocate the base. Negative power, reciprocate the base, 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 negative power, reciprocate the base. So we have only reciprocated the bases with the negative powers. Next step, LCM AB. AB divided by A is B. B into 1 is B plus AB divided by B is A multiplied by 1 is A. Or you can do cross multiply also here. Divided by this remains as it is plus. Again LCM of A and B is AB. You can use cross multiplication here. B into 1 is B minus A into 1 is A. Divided by LCM of A square B square is A square B square. Again you can use cross multiplication here. B square into 1 is B square minus A square into 1 is A square. Now let's see what we get here. I'm separating the numerator as well as the denominator here. So b plus a in separate bracket, ab in a separate bracket, division sign changes to multiplication and reciprocating ab by 1 plus numerator separate bracket, denominator separate bracket, division changes to multiplication and reciprocating by separating the brackets. Now this b square minus a square can either be written as b square minus a square, or this a square b square can be written as a b b or a b a b. Now let's see the cutting part. This gets cut, this gets cut. Now here there were two a's, one a and one a gets cut, one b and one b gets cut. Now what are we left with? We are left with b plus a upon 1 plus b minus a multiplied by 1a and 1b upon b square minus a square. Now here what I am going to do, this is b square minus a square. I am going to use a square minus b square property, which results in a plus b and a minus b. Now here in place of a it is b and in place of b it is a. The result will be b plus a and b minus a. Okay, now LCM b plus a b minus a. Again we can use cross multiplication here. This multiplied by this. This is to be written as b plus a and b minus a. And this multiplied by this is b minus a multiplied by ab. After this step, what did I do? This is 1. This is 1. So I am separating this upon the denominator plus, and this I am separating upon the denominator. So let's see what all we can cut now. B plus a, 1, 1. B minus a. Other side, b minus a and b minus a. Now here I am left with b plus a upon 1 plus I am left with ab upon b plus a. Now LCM again. Find the LCM. Cross multiply b plus a into b plus a, b plus a into b plus a plus ab into 1 is ab. Now multiply b into b, b square, b into a into b, ab. Now ba and ab is actually same only. Order can be changed. A into a is a square plus ab. Now write in order a square plus b square. Now this ba is actually ab only. So AB and AB gives you 3AB upon A plus B. B plus A can be written as A plus B. Question 3. Simplify. 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 4 minus 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 plus 3 upon 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power 3, and second power is minus 1 by 3. Next, first of all, negative power you can reciprocate the base. Minus 2 power 2 is second power 2. So 2 power 2 into 2, 1 base 2 powers. 3 power 2 plus negative power reciprocate the base, power becomes positive, plus negative power reciprocate the base and the power becomes positive, plus this 3 and this 3 will get cut, 3 to the power minus 1 negative power, 3 to the power minus 1. We can reciprocate it in the next step. Next, numerator, because we are multiplying numerator 3 power 5, denominator 3 power 4, minus 2 into 2 is 4 into 3 power 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 negative power reciprocate the base. Now here, this can be either solved by opening 3 5 times and 3 4 times and cancelling, and you will be left with a single 3, or you can use your law here, the quotient law, that is 1 base 2 powers and dividing, subtract the powers, and you have 3 power 1. You can do it in any way. 2 power 4 is 16 multiplied by 3 power 2 is 9 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Next, 3 by 1 minus 16 into 9 is 144 by 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 and plus 1 upon 3. So in addition and subtraction, now we'll be finding out LCM. 3, we all know after this how to solve it. We'll be getting 9 minus 432 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Here on adding all the positive terms we get plus 13 and the negative term is minus 432. Your result is minus 419. So minus 419 upon 3. If you want to change it to mix, you can change it. Next part, x power minus 1, y power 2, z power minus 3, common power minus 3. Basically all the values which are inside the bracket, this power is for all the values. So now 1 base 2 powers, multiply the power. Same goes for x, same goes for y, and same goes for z. X 1 3 is a 3 minus minus plus z. Sorry, y 2 3 is a 6 plus minus minus. Coming to z, 3 3 is a 9 minus minus plus. We are having x to the power 3, z to the power 3 as positive, so they remain in the numerator. Y to the power 6, which is minus 6, reciprocate the base and the power automatically becomes positive. Okay, question 4. Simplify, write in exponential form. Now after solving, you have to give your answer in exponential form. 1 upon 81 to the power 1 by 4 minus 27 by 64 to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 8 to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 16 to the power minus 3 upon 4. Change all the bases to exponential form. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. 64 can be written as 4 to the power 3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. And 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Now we'll cancel the powers. Power 4 and into 1 by 4. This is now both the bases have common power. So out of these two powers, we'll be taking 1 3 common multiplied by minus 1 by 3. 2 power 3 into minus 2 by 3. And 4 into minus 3 by 4. Reduce all the values, numerator, denominator, 3, 3, 4 and 4. And you're left with 1 by 3 to the power 1 minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3. Now 1 by 3 as it is minus negative power reciprocate the base divided by negative power reciprocating the base. 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1, power becomes positive, plus negative power reciprocate the base and the power becomes positive. Next step, 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 power 2 is 4 and 1 power 2 is also 1 plus 2 power 2. This is 2 power 3 which is 8 upon 1 power 3 is also 8. Next step, sign of division will be changed into multiplication and this 4 by 1 will become 1 by 4. Now this is minus, this is plus and this is multiplication. Reduce your terms and finally after multiplying and after reducing just join your fractions. 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 1 is 3. Now we have only addition and subtraction. Plus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 gets cut and we are left with 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is actually 8 only. And as the question says, give your answer in exponential form. 8 is actually 2 to the power 3. This we can find out the LCM and 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1. So 8 is actually 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power 3. With this we finish question number 4.